Hey friends, welcome back. When using VI, it can be annoying that line numbers are not displayed. But there are settings we can use to display the line numbers. If you don't want to have line numbers being displayed every time, you can display the line numbers in the currently opened file. For this, you have to be in command mode, and then you have to type :set number, and then line numbers are displayed. You could use a shorter command as well, which is :set nu, and it will display line numbers as well. If I'm closing the file now and reopen it, the line numbers won't be displayed anymore. If you want to have line numbers being displayed for each opened file, you have to change your .vimrc file in your home directory. It might be that you don't have a .vimrc file in your home directory, but we already got that far with learning how to use VI that we are able to create and modify such a file using VI. So in case that you don't have a .vimrc file in your home directory, we can create such a file by using vi.vimrc. It will then display that it's a new file in the status line. Now we have to go into insert mode by pressing I. Then we have to type set number. We can go back to command mode, pressing escape, and then :wq. And if I'm now opening up lorem ipsum, we have line numbers displayed right away. There's also the possibility to hide the line numbers again. For this, you can use :set no number, or you can use the shorter command, which is :set no nu. And there's also the possibility to toggle between displaying and hiding line numbers. For this, you can use :set number ! Or you can use the shorter command, which is :set no nu ! :set no nu ! Let's recap what we learned in this video. We learned that we can display line numbers temporarily in the currently opened file by using :set number or :set nu. We learned that we can display line numbers in each opened file per default by adding the line set number to our .vimrc file in our home directory. We learned that we can hide line numbers again by using :set no number or :set no nu. And we learned that we can toggle between displaying and hiding line numbers by using :set number ! Or :set nu ! Okay, I think that's it for this video. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!